Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a highly requested topic, how to listen to YouTube with the screen off. Whether you're trying to save battery, avoid distractions, or simply play music in the background, this guide will cover everything you need to know. So let's get started. First, let's talk about why you might want to listen to YouTube with the screen off. It's not just about saving battery, it's also about convenience. Maybe you're listening to a podcast, a music playlist, or a lengthy discussion, and you don't need the visual component. This method is perfect for those moments. The most straightforward way to listen to YouTube with the screen off is by subscribing to YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium offers several benefits, including the ability to play videos in the background, ad-free viewing, and access to YouTube Music. We'll show you a quick tutorial on how to use this feature with a YouTube Premium account. But what if you're not a YouTube Premium subscriber? Don't worry, we've got you covered with some alternative methods. There are several third-party apps available that allow you to play YouTube videos in the background or with the screen off. We'll guide you through the safest and most efficient apps to download, ensuring you avoid any potential security risks. A lesser-known trick involves using your mobile browser. We'll walk you through the steps of playing YouTube videos in the background using browsers like Safari on iOS or Chrome on Android. This method is a bit of a workaround, but it's effective and doesn't require any additional apps. To enhance your experience, we'll share some tips and tricks on how to create playlists, use shortcuts, and optimize battery usage while listening to YouTube with the screen off. Plus, we'll discuss the legal and ethical considerations to keep in mind when using third-party apps. Listening to YouTube with the screen off is a game changer for many users. Whether you choose YouTube Premium or one of the alternative methods, you can now enjoy your favorite content without keeping your screen on. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.